Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So let us continue our class on Q Basic. So today in this video we will be looking after some of the programs. So let us start. So first program is we have to take input the principal rate and time, and we have to calculate and display the simple interest and the amount. So let me give you an quick idea regarding simple interest. So you will always see that whenever your parents earn some money, they most of the time deposit the money in the bank. Why they deposit their hard-earned money in the bank? So there are basically two reasons. First reason is safety, and the second reason is an extra source of income. What happens is that when we keep our earned money in the bank, what does the bank do is bank pays us some extra money for keeping our money with them. This extra money that the bank pays because we are keeping or depositing our money with them, this is called as interest. Okay, so simple interest formula, let us look up for it. So simple interest equals to principal into rate into time divided by 100, where principal is the money that we deposit, rate is the rate of interest, T is the time in years, and 100 is divided by the product of these three terms. And amount is basically the money that we deposit plus the interest that we earn. Total is called as amount. Okay, so let us see what our program will be. So our program begins with CLS, which stands for clear screen. Then the three inputs are required: principal, rate and time, and we are using the variables P for storing principal, R for rate and T for time. Next we have to calculate the simple interest and amount. So from the given formula I have computed the principal into rate into time by 100. This is my simple interest, and my amount is the principal plus the simple interest that I have computed will equals to my amount. So this is how our simple interest and amount is calculated. And now what is left for us to do is display these two results. So I am displaying the two results. Simple interest equals to, where is my simple interest calculated and stored? In SI, and in the same manner my amount is stored in my AMT. So my program ends here. So in order to mark the program's end, I have to use the command end. Okay, let us take up one more program. So it is told us now that we will take input time in minutes, and we have to convert it and also display in hours and seconds separately. So most of you already know the relationships between the different unit of times. If not, then let us see. So 1 minute equals to 60 seconds and 1 hour equals to 60 minutes, or it can be said in this manner also: 1 minute equals to 1 by 60 hour. Okay, so we will be incorporating these two formulas in the program. So let us start. So the input has been taken and stored in the variable T. Now in order to convert it into hour, as we have seen in the formula, that the time should be divided by 60, and for converting the time in minutes to seconds, we have to multiply by 60. So those are the calculated, and we have to just simply display these two values. So time in hour, which is my variable where the time is converted into hour, is HR, and my time in seconds is converted into the variable SEC. Okay, so these are my two outputs. Now let us go to the last program of today's video. So it is told that we have to take input marks obtained in 5 subjects and full marks for each subject is 200. Okay, and now we have to calculate and display the total, average and percentage. Okay, so let us continue. Before that, let us look at the formula. So average means the total marks obtained by number of observation. Number of observation means here number of subjects that I am taking. Okay, and percentage equals to total marks obtained by total marks it is carrying, that is multiplied by 100%. Okay, total marks obtained is the marks that I have got, and total marks carrying means how much total marks the exam or how many subjects are there, those subjects what is the total marks the exam is upon. Okay, so let us see the program. So in the same manner, CLS, and I have to take 5 subjects marks, so I am taking the variable M1, M2, M3, M4 and M5 to store my marks of 5 different subjects. Okay, so you can take the input in different line also. I have taken the inputs all in a single line. Okay, same thing. Next, I have to calculate the total. So total means just add up the 5 values. Average, what I have seen, that total marks obtained by number of observations. Number of observations means number of subjects I am having. So total by how many subjects I have taken? I have taken 5, so it is divided by 5. And finally, my percentage equals to total into 100 by 5 into 200. Now why 5 into 200? See, at the denominator, the formula percentage we had total marks carrying, and in the question it was told that 200 is the total marks of each subject. So we have taken 5 subjects, so total marks the 5 subject is having is 5 into 200, and total marks is my marks obtained, and this 100 is the multiplication of percentage, 100%. Okay, so this is how the formula percentage is computed, and what is finally left us for to do is printing these 3 results. So one thing you will note here is something different in case of the percentage printing line. So percentage equals to, then I have given the variable, again I have given something in bracket quotations. Why? Because suppose you have got 97%. So how we write? 97, and then we give a percentage symbol in order to signify that this is the percentage I am getting. So in order to display this symbol, I have also utilized it here. So how it is? Percentage equals to, then the value that I have got, or the value that is computed in the percentage per variable will be displayed, and after the value this symbol for percentage also I am showing. Okay, so this is how it is done, and finally my program ends. Okay, so today's class up to this. Hope you have enjoyed it. If you are having any question, you feel free to write in the comment section. So see you soon in my next video.